Hi all, this is day 57 of my GATE CS prep journey for 2027 attempt. Happy early morning. Hope everyone are doing great. Hope everyone are doing fine and had a good productive day regarding studies for GATE CS today. I wanted to discuss this one thing regarding function before explaining the other things in today's video, like regarding function declaration and definition and what kind of error you would get in functions. So, if you see the green ones highlighted, I've taken the help from Claude to explain this diagram. So this is called as declaration because we are just declaring this thing, and compiler scans from top to bottom. Okay, so this is to tell compiler that some function exists in the program. So when he scans, he would, and he goes here like at line 5 some or to call some function. um, that it's already declared on at top, so it won't throw any error. And if declaration is missing, then you will get the compiler error. See, doesn't know the sum because it will try to compile it, but there is no declaration what is sum exists. So while scanning from top to bottom, then that's why compiler error would throw. Function call uses sum with values 4 and 5. This is called function call. Everyone, like, we know it how it call, and it is the value will get stored in z variable. Then so if this is declared, we won't get the compiler error when we scan from top to bottom. But if it is not, if it is declared, we won't get it. So, and linker error is like there is the function definition where we actually write the function. Some dots you can see it is declared and then return a plus b also written. That is function definition. And if it is missing, then linker error would come. Linker can't resolve sum because definition is missing. Actual body where logic lives. So that's the error you might get if declaration is missing or definition is missing, compiler error or linker error. So that's regarding this concept I wanted to discuss. And I was telling the compilation system yesterday, right? Like I'll explain in detail. So it's like when you write C program, and run it, it's human readable, that is .c, and it cannot run on directly on machine. Okay, it should because machine only executes binary file zeros and ones, which contains zeros and ones. So you can see, like, human readable is, everyone know what is like plain basic C program. This is the human readable that you need to convert in binaries like zeros and ones. You can see the machine readable binary executables 7F454C. So this is to indicate the type of file. So this is example of ELF file for Linux because 7F454C46. These file would identified by machine. So that's why we need compilation system to convert it into this type of binary. So the next question is why we need to learn the compilation system is because, like, writing C code is not only about the gate. Like, you need to understand what is beneath it, beneath the program, like how it works. These are the questions like the compilation system would answer. That's why we need to understand why compilation system. I think yesterday only I explained this. So first is preprocessor in it. So it's very first stage of compilation system, but there is no actual compilation happens at this stage. It is purely like text substitution tool. It processes source file before compiler ever sees it and handles all the lines with starting with hash. It is also called as preprocessor directives. And the reason why it's called CPP, C stands for C because we are compiling the or processing C source file. Preprocessor, first P for preprocessor because before runs before actual compiler, and processor because it processes the source text. Second is compiler, which is also called as CC1. So CC1 is actual compiler in GCC. It handles the core compilation phase after pre-processing. Converts pre-processed C code into assembler code. And assembler produces an object file so that the linker can later combine multiple models and resolve external references to create the final executables. So assembler handle, here is your partially complete machine code. Linker will connect all the pieces and finish the job. Linker will accept multiple relocatable object files and fetches necessary modules like printf.o from system, combines them into single executable object file, and this perform two core tasks: symbol resolution and relocation. I'll explain these two important tasks from linker, which is symbol resolution and relocation, in next tomorrow. In tomorrow's video I'll explain this because this is important, and there are gate PYQs based on this also, so I'll explain that tomorrow. So I've studied around, you can see I've started with 8 and 9 hours and I'm left with 2 hour 40 minutes, so 7 hours, almost 6-7 hours I've studied. So yeah, I've not covered DL or CN. I'll cover that tomorrow later half of the evening. So yes, that was a day. I'm feeling little better. Honestly, I was not feeling very good, but I'm much better than, got very good clarity. So it's just me and my studies now. Nothing is going to come in between. I mean, it was nothing in between only, but sometimes you seek clarity and you get it. So now I'm all stronger than ever to put all my energy and effort here only. So yeah, feeling great, and feeling great to see people are joining more this channel to support me. I really need it. I mean, I'm not going to shy away. I need your support. Like, it just feels great when people are joining or subscribing me to see me more. That just feels ki people are with me, and I really want to thank each and everyone who comes daily, watches my daily study vlogs. If something is helping them, it would be more than great for me. So let me know if you find, how do you find my videos, and how is your prep going on basically. What kind of subjects you are covering, any strategies you are applying that you need to share here. And do just let me know how is your studies going on, how many hours you guys have put in today, and are you getting any help, motivation from my channel or my daily vlog videos that I post, or how do you find it? So I think, yeah, that was the day for me today. Better days are coming, like feeling much better, so full focus would be there, much more productivity would be there. So yeah, thank you all again, thanks for watching it.